Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the back camera on the Redmi K20 series aka Xiaomi Mi 90 series mobile phones. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the back cover. To remove the back cover, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer around the back cover edges. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic cup pry tool and gently cut the adhesive. Next, take out the back cover and pull out the board frame by undoing 12 screws. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, gently pull out the camera lens frame from the board. Next, disconnect and take out the ultra-wide camera. Next, disconnect and pull out the networking 2-in-1 main and telephoto cameras from the logic board. Next, place and secure the new ultra-wide camera. Next, place and secure the new 2-in-1 main and telephoto cameras into the board. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, secure the board frame by adding 12 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.